Hello Artsy friends! This is Joycee, the creator behind Artsy Joycee. Welcome or welcome back to my channel! In today's video, I currently have a dilemma since my machine is tearing through my material as seen on this clip. Now, to troubleshoot, first, I will remove the blade from the machine and check for any debris inside the housing or on the blade. After visibly inspecting your blade, let me share with you an old but goodie cricket hack. I have here with me a small sheet of aluminum foil, and then I'll ball it up tightly and then push the blade's plunger down to expose the blade and poke the ball multiple times. By poking the blade into a ball of aluminum foil, it will remove debris or oxidation that build up on the blade, and it will help it cut better. After trying this method and fail, I will try and use another method, which is replacing my fine point blade. I have here with me a replacement for my fine point blade. Now, I will open the box and remove the protective cover from the new blade. Now, to replace it, I will open clamp B and remove the blade housing. And then, I will gently push the plunger on the top of the housing and carefully pull out the blade from the bottom. Now, I will insert the new blade into the housing so that the sharp side of the blade points out of it. The blade housing is equipped with magnet and it will hold the new blade in place. It is important to note that the blade housing must be seated on the top surface of clamp B. If the blade housing is seated too high, your blade might not be in contact with your material as shown below. The clamp arms will be very secure around the housing, and it may require some gentle pressure to be able to close it properly. Now, with the new blade in place, let's retry cutting our project. As we are waiting for the results, let me share what a premium fine point blade is. This blade is made from German carbide steel, and this is designed to make the most intricate cuts imaginable in a variety of thin to medium weight materials. Presenting our finished project! Look at the level of detail the Cricut Maker is capable of. I hope you learned from this video, and if you like more Cricut crafts and tutorials, please like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye!